Hello everyone, and this is Morning Meeting with Miss Kara. Alrighty, let's go ahead and do our weather song. What's the weather? What's the weather? What's the weather like today? Tell us, Miss Kara, what's the weather? What's the weather like today? Alrighty, so if we go to weather.com and we search Roanoke, Virginia, Roanoke being our city, Virginia our state, Roanoke, Virginia. It says it is 58 degrees outside and rainy. It is rainy outside. So we're going to put our spinner on rainy, and we're going to put the word rainy in the blank. So today's weather, rainy. Today is rainy. So now we need to graph our weather. So the title of our graph is Weather Graph. On this axis, we have the number of days. And on this axis, we have the type of weather. And here is rainy. So we're going to put rainy on our weather graph. So if we look at our weather graph, let's count how many rainy days we've had so far. 1. We've had 1 rainy day so far. Now let's count how many cloudy days we've had so far. 1, 2. 2 cloudy days. Which one has more? Cloudy or rainy? Cloudy has more. Cloudy has more. So if we were to write a number sentence, we have 1 for the number of rainy days and 2 for the number of cloudy days. So since we said 2 is more, we're going to use the sign that is open towards the number that is worth the most. 2 is more than 1, so we're going to use the sign that is open towards the 2. Or you can think of it that it points to the number that is the least. So this number sentence says 1 is less than 2. 1 is less than 2. Alrighty, so let's go ahead and move on to our months of the year song. January, February, March, and April, May, June, July, and August, September, October, November, December. These are the months of the year. The first month of the year is January. We start the year in January. The last month of the year is December. We end the year in December. There are 12 months in a year, and we are in the 6th month. So let's start at January and count to 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. June. We're in the month of June. And today is June 17th. Miss Kara needs to fix that. There we go. June 17th. And we write the 17th as a 1 and then a 7. 17. So let's count the number of days we've had so far in June. We're going to start right here at 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. 17 days in June. Today is June 17th, 2020. Alrighty, go ahead and find your clapping hands for our Days of the Week song. Days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week. There's Sunday and there's Monday, there's Tuesday and there's Wednesday, there's Thursday and there's Friday, and then there's Saturday. Days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week. So yesterday was Tuesday. Yesterday was Tuesday. Today is Wednesday. Today is Wednesday. And tomorrow will be Thursday. And we said today is June 17th. Write the 17th as a 1 and then a 7. 17. So today is Wednesday, June 17th, 2020. All right, let's go ahead and do our news to you, weather, and calendar. Today is, we said today is Wednesday.
Wednesday.
The month is, we said we were in the 6th month of the year, which is June.
June.
The date is, we said today was the 17th, which is written as a 1 and then a 7.
17th.
The weather is, we said it was rainy outside.
Rainy.
Since we're in the high 50s, I would say it is cool outside.
Cool.
All right, let's dress this person today.
Bottoms.
So since it's cool outside, we're probably going to want to wear jeans, sweatpants, or pants. So let's put on some sweatpants for today.
Sweatbands. Tops.
Since it's cool outside, we probably don't want to wear a tank top. We probably don't need a winter sweater. We could probably get by with any of these, but I'm going to put on a long sleeve shirt.
Long sleeved shirt.
Since it is cool outside.
Shoes.
Since it is raining, we're going to want to wear rain boots. We don't need snow boots, it's not snowing, and sandals are probably not the best idea since it's raining. Rain boots would be a good idea because it would keep our feet dry.
Rain boots. Hats.
We don't need a winter hat, it's not that cold outside. Since it is raining, we probably want to wear a rain hat so that we can keep our head dry.
Rain hat. Accessories.
We don't need gloves, mittens, or a scarf. It's not that cold outside. We could wear sunglasses if we wanted to. There really is not a need today to protect our eyes from the sun since it is raining, but if you wanted to wear them, you could. But I'm going to say no accessory.
No accessory. Outerwear.
Since it is raining, we're going to want to wear a raincoat to keep our clothes dry.
Raincoat.
All right, so let's review.
Today's weather. Wednesday, June 17th, 2020. Rainy and cool.
And we have dressed our person for the weather. All right, thanks for watching.